Hi besties, welcome back to my channel today. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get students on Preply within 24 hours. It works like magic. Yes, I know many people have been struggling on how to get students on Preply. Yeah, I know how difficult it could be because Preply has a lot of tutors, and yeah, the competition is too much. Yes, it's very high. So this is a very easy way to get student on Preply. So yes, hi Bessie. So yes, I'm going to show you in the video, but one thing I want to tell you is that please I also like you to this thing you're going to do, these languages you're going to add, please also try to learn, at least learn the basics, like how are you, what's your name, nice to meet you. Okay, please try to learn more about more on this languages. So let's go into the video so you could see what I'm talking about. Okay. Hi Bessie. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you what to do to get students within 24 hours. It works like magic. Yes. It works like magic. So let's go into it. So you go to your profile. This here, you see this visible profile is showing profile is visible. Okay, I can go to these three dots. These three dots here, go to my profile. Just as if you want to update your profile. That's when you don't know every other thing. Please, when you don't every other thing. If you've watched my video when I talked about things you need to do to make your Preply profile a standard one, yes, to meet up the requirement for Preply to be able to push out your profile out there. There are certain things you need to do. I talked about it in the other video. Please try and watch the video. So this is loading. Let's wait for it to load. So this is it. Let's, as if we want to edit our profile. So this is how it appears about. Okay. So when you check, you see your information, So you go to, this is the first thing. You go to your about. Do you understand? You go to your about. Look at the languages you speak. Yes, this is just one. It might sound funny, but it sounds somehow, but sincerely it works. Just go to your about. It's already, this is about to go down. You understand? I've already updated them, but you can still update them. So you choose your first language, which is English. Ensure you choose your English as native. In case you haven't chosen it as native, please send a mail. Say go to here. You see this this question mark. Click on it. When you click on it, you go to contact us. Contact us. Yeah, message. Already send a lot of them a message. Click on send a message. Choose something else. Profile status, withdrawal, confirm lesson sent. Go to something else. Then type what you want. Please tell them to kindly update your English. Update English as your native. You want to update it as native, okay? That your native speaker. Yeah, friends, I'm using my accent, my national accent for this video. Please never mind. But so just tell them to update it. they are going to send you a message to, they'll ask some questions. They ask some questions. They might ask if you have a document. That's if you haven't uploaded any documents showing that you studied in English. They're going to ask for some documents which you send to them. Yeah, if you have just any document, I think they'll ask for some documents. Shouldn't be something hard. You should be able to provide that. Then yeah, that's fine. Then I also teach Igbo. I'm an Igbo woman. So yeah, I teach English. My native languages are English and Igbo. Yes. So I chose the both. You have to choose English. Don't forget to choose English as native. Select your level should be native. Then look at some of these languages. Look at some of these countries that you know are looking for. They want to learn English. They want to improve their English vocabularies. They want to improve their business English and all that. You can choose them. So I think I didn't really choose much. I teach Spanish. These are countries I've taught. I've taught I teach Chinese, Japanese, Spanish and Portuguese. These are countries that I've taught. These are languages I've taught. So, and what I did is when I chose this, I tried to learn their basics. I would advise you to learn their basics. Please learn the basics. How are you? Like in Chinese, I can speak Chinese to an extent. Like I didn't know it before. When I started I could say a lot. Yeah, I can say a lot. And how are you? What's your name? You know, ni hao ma, and all that. You know. Spanish, a lot of things. Thank you, obrigado, sim, that's yes. There are lots. Just try to learn the basics. How are you? What's your name? It's not really that hard. Choose some of these things, some of these languages. Try to learn. How are you? What's your name? Like if you can know how are you? What's your name in Chinese? So how old are you? No. Yeah, you learn it. But choose. Once you do this, I guarantee you within 24 hours you start seeing messages. Sincerely, it works. It has worked for a lot of people. So yeah, I advise you give it a try. So when you're done updating, so you just click here, you see update. I can update it again, except I want to add another language. To say add another language, let me go to add another language. The language will come out here, level. Let me choose a language. Let me say Africanese. Which language do I want to choose now? Okay, let me say Africanese. I'm gonna delete it. But it's just for this. Then you go to save. Click on save. It will automatically save. So it will be reviewed by Preply, and yeah, I'm deleting it because I'm okay with the languages I chose. So that's it. If you want to get students within 24 hours, this works like magic. It works like magic. I think that's that for this. Okay, besties, thank you for watching. I hope this video was impactful. Please, if the video was impactful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so yes, you've seen what I'm talking about. It's actually very easy and simple. And also don't forget that when you choose this languages as you speak, yes, these languages, please try to learn the basics. Just like I said earlier on at the beginning of this video, try to learn the basics. Very important. At least how are you, what's your name? Okay, don't just put it there, oh I can teach this, but you don't even have the basics. When you have a student in the class, the student will just be looking at you. At least when you say how are you in Chinese, is the student like, oh, I think she understands a little bit. Okay, so yes, it makes them feel at ease with you. It makes them feel at home. Yes, feel relaxed with you. So yes, thank you for watching. I wish you a happy teaching and more money in your pocket. Yes. Okay, see you in our next video. Bye.